with a slow motion crew, and we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding.
It's our time to shine. Show that's the kind of state of mind you gotta combine with hard work and time. You gotta climb to the top. Don't let yourself drop till your heart stops. Let this beat rock. Got a new clock and a new stock for this new rock. Just let your mind loose from the new stock. Drunk off the goose, thinking that I'm too pop. Getting caught with a few thoughts, cause I'm too lost. Off the speakers can't even handle me. Giving what I got, nobody's gonna drain my energy. And I will never stop. I'm motivated by enemies. Setting up shop.
What is up, guys? So we are back again, Pretty Boy, with another video. So today is November 20, 2020. Alright, so tayo ay, oh shucks, makulimlim ang kalangitan mga lodi. Anyway, let's go. On muna natin to. May front cam na tayo mga lods, oh. Improvement. Yon! Hello! Alright, so tayo ay gagala na naman mga lods. Time check, it's 1:27. Right, so let's go. Say hi to my front camera. So tayo na lods, let's go. Alright, magpapagas muna tayo mga lods before tayo gumala. Let's go, let's go. Shout out sa aking mga subscribers dyan. At kung bago pa lang kayo dito mga lods, don't forget to subscribe. Alright, kung gusto nyo lumigay ang inyong buhay, alright, madaming tao dun sa land bank mga lods, oh, as you can see. Papagas muna tayo mga lods. Shout out. Murag liyo kaya eh. Galaw ng galaw yung front cam natin mga lods, ah. Sa kabilang buhay. Yeah. Let's go. So what is up, lods? Alright, so panibagong video, panibagong gala na naman tayo mga lods. On the way kami ngayon sa Magsaysay para magpa-attendance lang tayo doon, lods, okay? Pa-attendance tayo mga lodi. Let's go! Makulimlim doon sa unahang bahagi ng ating paroroonan. Makulimlim mga lods. Sana hindi umulan para hindi tayo mabad trip. Anyway, big shout out sa aking 140 subscribers. My God. Alright, let's go. Sana hindi malaglag tong front cam natin mga lodi, diba? Dago mga lods. First time po natin gumamit ng front cam. Ito pong front cam natin ay SJ Cam M20. Ito ang kauna-unahang action cam na nabili namin mga lods. Sa halagang 5,000 pa to eh. Kasi sa mall namin nabili, kaya medyo mahal. sa Cagayan de Oro nung unang panahon. The sky is sometimes dark. The sky is dark, yo. Ala, taligsik. Taligsik gamay. Taligsik na mga lods. Nagsimula ng umulan. Try nating wala namang giresonahan. Ala ka diya. Gaula na. Inggan, magpapagari. Sayang ang full tank. Sayang ang full tank, sir. Ganyan na, sir. Time check nga pala natin mga lods is 1:37 in the morning, in the afternoon. Nagtaligsik, lods. Basa ito kamera ni lods. Let's go! Rain or shine, mga lodi. Alright, mga lodi. On the way pala ulit kami ngayon sa Magsaysay para tingnan ang ano doon. One of the main attractions doon, yung Rahma sa Chuba. Ano ba yun? Alright, so kita-kits na lang kayo later, okay? Update ko na lang kayo later mga lods. Shout out!
And I've been chilling, watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding.
Nalilagbok na. Muna attendance te. Attendance te. 20 mo guro? What's up, Lods? Vlog ka kusugam dihog. So what is up, guys? Ito yung baon namin, guys. Minute burger. Pila ni minute burger me? 71. Ano na siya? Ano yung kan? Ano yung bacon? Is this bacon? Yunsa naman. Yunsa naman nag-torture mo namin. Nangyari dito.
Gutom na eh. Paano ko bahala ka di? Bahala ka kain, guys.
Itadakimasu.
Actually, meat burger yun ang ito good.
Pila ka minutes gikan tubod pa doon kuan? Dire, 30? 30 no?
More?
35. 35 minutes from tubod. Kain tayo, guys.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
A few moments later.
Uwi na kami, Lods. Let's go home. So, ayun. Konwera siguro din, Meng. Si Konwera na diri, ha? So, ayun, mga Lods. Pauwi na kami, mga Lods. Tapos na namin nalibot ang Hardin Sarakma dito sa Magsaysay. Magsaysay namin, no? Magsaysay, Lanao del Norte. Shout out mga taga Magsaysay dyan. Kaway matong taas kayo nga. Gakalagot tabo ko to. Rao, walang hiya. Aray. So pauwi na kami, mga Lods, and that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching. This is Pretty Boy from Pretty Boy Vlogs PH saying goodbye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you on the next vlog. I love you. Gara-gara.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading